multiplied with log 2. X into this term plus 1 into this term. X into log 2, x log 2, x into log 2, x log 2. Instead of plus plus 1 into log 2, log 2. This binomial we have to multiply with log 2. X into log 2, x log 2. Instead of plus 1 into log 2, 1 log 2, that's means log 2 is equal to 1 into log 3, log 3. Instead of minus, x into log 3, x log 3. One into log 3, log 3. Instead of minus, x into log 3, x log 3. In the next step, what we have to do, this is x log 2. LHS side x log 2 is there. RHS side minus x log 3 is there. This is x term. This is also x term. This is constant. This is constant. So x terms in the next step. X terms we write left side. Constants we write right side. That means this x term we have to bring left side. This plus log 2 we have to send right side. Minus x log 3 we bring left side of the equal to symbol. And plus log 2 we send right side, RHS side. See what I am doing here, x log 2 already equal to symbol left side, x log 2 is there, x log 2 I have written. Now this minus x log 3 we have to bring left side. What happens? Plus x log 3 is equal right side, already log 3 is there. And this plus log 2 we have to send right side, minus log 2. Transposing. See this term we have brought left side, it became plus x log 3, and this plus log 2 we have sent right side, minus log 2. That's only here, plus right side, minus. See now in these two terms x is common, we can take x common. If we take x common, okay, x log 2 means x came here, log 2 right inside. Instead of plus, this is x we have taken common here, so log 3 right inside is equal log 3 minus log 2. Next step, x is equal, this bracket we are sending right side of the equal to, then by. Here nothing means into, x and this bracket between nothing means into. Now this total bracket if we send right side, it becomes by log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. X is equal, already equal to symbol right side, what is there? That we have to write log 3 minus log 2 by this we are sending right side, that is log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3. So here bracket no need, here x is there, that's why we have written bracket. After sending right side, it came as denominator, bracket no need. So x is equal to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. This is the answer. Next, ninth one we see. Ninth bit, two problems are there. Ninth bit, Roman number 1 is first one, log 2 rational or irrational, justify your answer. Log 2 rational or irrational, log 2 rational or irrational. Justify your answer. We have to say that log 2 rational number or irrational number, we have to say. Let log 2 base nothing means simply we can write 10. Log 2 given, log 2 base 10. Base nothing is there means we can write 10. Let log 2 base 10 is equal to x. Means log 2 base 10 is equal to what is the value? Log 2 base 10 value we are finding log 2 base 10 is equal to x. This exponential form, right? 10 to the power of x is equal 2. This is the logarithm form. This logarithm form we have to write exponential form. How to write exponential form? 10 to the power of x is equal to 2. 10 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now you see 10 to the power of x is equal to 2 means can we write this value as base 10? This value as base 10 we can't write. See, but 2 cannot be written as 10 to the power of x model. This 2 cannot be written as 10 to the power of x model. That means we want base, like that we can't write. So, but 2 can't be written as 10 to the power of x for any value of x. For any value of x. See, but 2 can't be written as 10 to the power of x for any value of x. See, 10 to the power of x model, this 2 we can't write. So, therefore, we can write log 2 is irrational. Therefore, given term log 2 is irrational. Therefore, log 2 is irrational. Over. Next, second one we see. Is log 100 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Second one, log 100 given. Same model, log 100. Ninth bit second problem. And the second problem is log 100 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Given term is log 100. Let log 100 base 10. Log 100 base is nothing means base 10 we can write. Log 100 base 10 is equal to x. Now this write in exponential form. 10 to the power of x is equal to 100.